This is a day in the life of a lazy VA na may jowa on a Valentine's Day. Okay, trigger alert! So we decided to watch a movie and booked a dinner buffet for Valentine's Day. Call time is 2 p.m. at kakagising ko lang from an 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. shift. Slept at 8 a.m. and woke up ng 12 noon. So, ipush ang Valentine's date with 4 hours sleep. Okay lang kahit puyat, basta may jowa, charat. So, quick shower muna tayo and I'm using my favorite Japanese bath brush which is super helpful in reaching and cleaning my back. So, if gusto nyo rin ito, click nyo lang ang yellow basket sa video na to. Alright, time check is 1 p.m. So nakapag-bihis na rin ako and this is usually the last thing na ginagawa ko is to fix my hair. So I'm using Bench Fix Wax which is, ito na yung ginagamit ko ever since college pa ako. So baka naman bench, diba? Yan, so this is my fit for today. Polo is from H&M and my black pants is also from H&M. And I usually wear dark tones because medyo tumataba na tayo for the past few months, but I'm trying to, lose weight and sana this year maumpisa na natin ang pagpapapayat. So magsasapatos na sana ako, then I suddenly heard na may nagbubukas ng gate ko in a very subtle manner. So feeling ko my boyfriend was trying to surprise me and I immediately opened my camera to capture what's gonna happen. And tada! Sobrang nakakalatina ang pa-flowers ni Mayor. And syempre, di tayo papatalo. May surprise din tayong gift for my super sweet na boyfriend. At dahil sobrang nadala kami ng emotions and excitement, we lose track of time and we are running late na going to the cinemas. So our movie schedule was at 3 p.m. but we arrived 5 minutes late. But it's okay because naka-VIP pala kami and we really did not miss much of the movie. So we bought fries and popcorn for snacks while watching and the movie took 2 hours and it was a great Marvel movie and we enjoyed it. Now, heading to our next destination, we booked a dinner date at Stepanios Restaurant and Cafe. So as both na mahilig kumain, perfect ang dinner buffet for us. So the buffet menu includes creamy mushroom soup, chicken alfredo pasta, stir-fry veggies, 3 different flavored wings, pork hamonado, beef salpicao, and our favorite, mango tapioca for dessert. Super accommodating ng mga staff at sobrang naging romantic ang ambience dahil sa jazz performance ni Sir Robin. May usual food and drinks din silang ino-offer outside the buffet package. So if you want to visit, located sila here sa Pasita Avenue, San Pedro, Laguna. After the buffet, we headed to our last destination and wrapped up the night with our favorite at walang kamatayang kape. As someone na may boyfriend na barista, you will never skip this part. So that concludes our Valentine's Day. To see you on our next mini vlog. Bye!